Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make a quick breakdown on what do I see today or for today's trades. So the way how I'm analyzing the market. I'm trying to break down like the daily time frame. So my point is to get the daily bias. So if I can predict like the next day candle, then that's gonna be awesome. But obviously, to determine that, you need a little bit of experience. So then you will learn it, how actually this thing works. So basically, Thursday, I was seeing this beautiful bearish engulfing. I was expecting Friday to like in the London to go up and then New York to go down. Unfortunately, on the New York, it just didn't have no momentum, and the price just a little bit pulled back. And then the fact that on Friday was like pretty decent, like foreign support at the support area. You see here a high, here one time tried to go up, came back below, went even deeper into the zone, and formed the support. So basically today, what I was expecting this candle to pull back and then to move up and to break this daily high. So the reason why, the way how I'm trading, I'm going like to the 5 minutes, and you can see, guys, you can literally see. I trying to find like what's gonna be my I'm looking for the buys. I already know I'm looking for the buys. So basically I need the zone where to take the trades from. So I'm seeing here, to be honest, a zone. Something like that, because here was a little bit of rejection, then break, tried to come here to retest, but it didn't. And same here, arrived to this place, and just have a bounce out of this place. And if you see here is also is been reacting as a from here bounce, we had from here bounce, support. So basically this zone is pretty nice. So what I was expecting literally, I had here an alert, the price to come here, and then here I'm gonna take a buy, so I can take those highs, and maybe even those one. But unfortunately, almost came to the zone, but unfortunately not. It did not. But then what do we see here? We see here the daily on gold. So basically gold, what do we see here on gold? On gold, what do we see here? Basically we had same story. Beautiful bearish engulfing, and engulf literally everything, almost everything engulfs. Right now, the way how I'm seeing this price action, it trying to heads to these highs to test it out. And we are kind of in an uptrend. But basically due to the fact that today, hold on, because I'm expecting here to get an entry. Let's just see. Come on, man. Anyway, so basically, what do we have here? We have here like a beautiful bearish engulfing, and then Friday literally with no pullback. Like I was expecting from here to get short, so I took a little bit of short. I took from here a little bit of short, and it came here and even here, but then unfortunately it went up. But on this Friday candle, where I was expecting like because it was so strong, like bullish, and it wasn't not even like big week. It's like over 75% of the candle. It was like it was filled up. So what I was expecting here, due to the fact that we are in an uptrend, I was expecting the pullback and then move up. Unfortunately, I wasn't at the computer. I wasn't at the computer. So basically, what would be the best zones for me to take the trade off. So I was expecting this zone, yeah, because from here bounce, from here as a resistance, support, or maybe support and resistance, and then I was expecting from, because it broke, yeah, I was expecting from here to take buys. Unfortunately, I wasn't on the computer, yeah, and the price just literally had a spike down. I think that was some news or something like that, but then it just moved up, yeah. So basically, and it keeps moving up though. It keeps ripping up. Look at this. Look at this. But I'm taking a shorts only due to the fact that we had this major move to the downside. So what it can happen, yeah, it can happen from here. From here, most likely, it can just have a reaction from here. So to me, most likely, yeah, is alright me to. Basically, I took a trade here. Let me just put it like that. So basically, this was the zone, yeah. And from here, I took a sell because you see this Asia low, and I was expecting the previous daily high. So I was expecting from this area kind of to take shorts. So what happened? It just ripped to the downside, and it was kind of like pulling back, yeah. What I was thinking is gonna go back to this zone, yeah. So I enter here a sell. I can show you guys. I'm still here in a sell, yeah. But when I enter here a sell, I was seeing like smash. You see this crazy bullish engulfing, yeah. It doesn't really look that it was gonna go my way, yeah. But I wasn't sure. So I'm like, alright, let's see how I'm gonna manage my trade, yeah. So if just in case this price action blows, we will see the reaction of this zone, because here kind of created like a high, let's say, just for the perspective, yeah. Like here is still like, here had some small pullback, get back here. I was expecting here to see a reaction. It just went through, and from here I just closed in the loss. I closed in the loss like half of the position. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So basically, you see right now, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, you see on gold, yeah. I closed like the trade, half the position. You see with 0.27, and I still go open 0.28. So that's like more or less is half the position, yeah. So from here, where I was waiting, I'm like, if it gets here, I'm just gonna cut the loss. I'm not gonna close it full, but I'm just gonna cut the loss, yeah. Sorry guys, man. Anyway, from here, I said if from here it might gonna get rejected from here, because it can't go like just straight through, yeah. If it goes, then fair enough, but if from here pulls back, yeah, from here pulls back, I'm still gonna make even more, because from here I took the half of the portion. I took a loss, so it won't be like the 0.5% out of 100,000. It's gonna be even less. So if from here to here is gonna be 1R, then I'm good. I'm gonna be up. So yeah guys, that's because from here it might gonna come back here to retest this low, yeah, because this is break retest, but this is a small break and retest. From here actually it can come and even test this low, or maybe even this low, who knows. But we'll see guys, we'll see. I'm not pretending nothing. I'm just gonna see how everything is gonna go. That's kind of my trade that I mean, and to be honest guys, I don't really care, because I know for a fact my strategy, it does work. But don't even ask me, because some people keep asking me if I'm doing pro signals or if I'm doing the courses and stuff like that. Guys, I'm telling you right away, I'm not doing any courses, I'm not doing any signals. I just want to trade like for my own. I just sharing that idea so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But anyway guys, you see, I'm not perfect, and I'm still losing though. I'm still losing. And hold on. And yeah guys, that's kind of my trade for today. So feel free to subscribe, follow me up. If you want me to post some more content on that, just let me know guys. But for today, I am out.